Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Rizky and now I want to present my homework about the journal. The journal is about increasing adults and knowledge in effort to prevent sexually transmitted disease in Jagaraga village, Kuripan, West Lombok. The introduced one, youth is the hope of the nation. So it is not exaggeration to say that the future of the nation will be determined by the current states. Adolescents who are healthy and qualified are serious concern for parents. Extension practitioner or teenager themselves. Healthy adult men are productive and creative adolescents according to their state of development. Adolescence is a period of transition from childhood to adulthood. Adolescence by definition is the period between 10 and 24 years. During this transition period, individuals begin to develop second introduction based on the report of maternal and child health at the Kuripan Health Center in 2018, 50 HIV cases were found, of which 4 people had died. Most sufferers are housewives. Health workers at the Kuripan Health Center have never provided health education about sexuality transmitted disease in 2018 because of the shortage of health workers, availability of funds, and implementation time. The problem identified include adults who do not have educated knowledge about sexuality transmitted diseases. Local health centers have never provided educated and knowledge about the sexuality transmitted diseases to adolescents, and the village has never collaborated with the health education institution to increase educate adolescent knowledge about the infectious diseases. About the purpose, the service aim increase the knowledge of adolescents about effort to prevent sexually transmitted diseases in Jagaraga village. The method of service in counseling with the education approach through state pre-test, health education about sexuality transmitted disease, health education about HIV and AIDS, health education about healthy sexuality behavior, and evaluation. This activity has carried out for 4 months, October 2018, January 2020. After a series of health counseling activities were carried out, there has increase in the level of knowledge of adolescents after 3 times health, namely an increase in the level of sophisticated knowledge by 45.3% and a good level of knowledge by 21.4%. It is a hope that the youth leaders and the Jagaraga village apparatus can follow up on the activity independently. About the methods, form of the counseling with an education approach which is include the stage. The first are pre-test, and second, health education about sexuality transmitted diseases, and third, health education about HIV and AIDS, and fourth, health education about sexual behavior healthy, and number 5, evaluation followed by 42 teenagers. The pre-test was conducted at the first meeting to measure the level of knowledge of adolescents about sexuality transmitted disease, HIV, AIDS, and healthy sexual behavior. Measurement of the level of knowledge using a questionnaire. Health education on sexuality transmitted disease was conducted at a second meeting by providing material on sexually transmitted disease, health education about HIV/AIDS, which conducted and third meeting. At this meeting you were given material about sexuality meeting, and at this meeting teenagers were have given material about the healthy sexual behavior, health counseling in service use, lecture method with a PowerPoint media tools, equipment with a picture of various sexually transmitted diseases, HIV/AIDS and healthy sexual behavior, interactive and questionnaire and answer discussion are also provided after the lection session. And the evaluation of the adolescent knowledge about the sexuality transmitted disease about the HIV/AIDS and sexual behavior conducted at the end of the meeting. The evaluation of the adolescent is level was measured using the same questionnaire at the time of the pretest. And this is about the result. Figure 1 is a health education activity for sexual transmission disease. Healthy education on HIV/AIDS is held at the meeting a second. At this meeting, the youth was given material about the HIV/AIDS. This activity was carried out on November 27, 2018, filed by the community service team. Health education on healthy sexual behavior was carried out at the third meeting on December 11, 2018. This activity was filed by the community service team. And then the figure 2, health education activity for healthy sexual behavior, counseling on productive health for adolescents can provide provision of knowledge to adolescents about various reproductive problems to prepare themselves to carry out healthy productive function, but physically, mentally, emotional, and spiritual. Health education is already effort to communities so that behavior change occurs to maintain and improve their health level. Result and table 1 change is the level of knowledge of adolescents about STDs, HIV/AIDS, and sexual behavior. And this is not enough, good, and total. About the presentation, not enough. They have 33.3%, and enough 45.3%, and good 25.4%. The knowledge is the result of human sensing or the result of knowing someone about object from the senses. They have a person knowledge can be influenced by the information he received. If someone often get information about material, it will increase his knowledge. Change in the level of knowledge of adolescents. So in the result of this service are the result of the process of understanding adolescent about the material that has been given. About the table, it can be seen that there was insecure in the level of knowledge. Adolescent after 3 times health counseling was carried out, namely in increase in the level less knowledge 33% enough 45.3%, and good knowledge 21.4%. This result indicate the effectiveness of the counseling for the adolescent that has been carried out in Jagaraga village, increasing adolescent knowledge. About my discussion, the evaluation of adolescent knowledge level was measured by using a questionnaire. The evaluation of the level of knowledge as a result of adolescent understanding was carried on January 11, 2020. The result of the level of knowledge of adolescents about STDs, HIV/AIDS, and healthy sexual behavior, where 75.2% adolescents with sufficient knowledge and 24.8% well-informed adolescents. The health education conducted in Jagaraga Village used a very effective lecture method for Tenaga with interactive discussion between the service team and the youth. About the conclusion, the community service activity increasing adolescent knowledge in either prevent sexuality transmitted disease in Jagaraga Kuripan Village. In the form of counseling with an educational approach carried out by Stiker Yasri Mataram has increased adolescent knowledge about STDs, HIV/AIDS, and healthy sexual behavior at the level of sufficient knowledge as much as 45.3% and good level of knowledge as much as 21.4%. And this is about my reference from the journal. You can see that. Thank you for watching my video presentation about the increasing adolescent knowledge effort to prevent sexual transmitted disease in Jagaraga Village, Kuripan, West Lombok. I hope you can know about the journal, about the case, and thank you for watching. See ya.